What is up, my friend? Today I'd like to talk to you about how to build a home studio, a legit home studio without spending a bunch of money. My name is Donnie Baker. I'm here with LearnProRecording.com, and you are here with me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Hey, today I want to share with you a story about how I got started. Yes, this behind me is my Studio B. We have a much larger studio on the other side. I'll show a picture of it right here. There you go. That's Studio A. We make a lot of records. I've been doing this for a minute. Yes, look, you don't need to start with this. I did not start with this. Here is what I started with. A Focusrite. Actually, you know what? Honestly, I'm lying to you. To be totally honest, I'll put a picture of it here, man. The DigiDesign M-Box. I don't know if you guys remember this. If you weren't born in the 1900s, you may not even know what this thing is, but I will share with you. I still use this Focusrite. We have it. I have used this. I've probably had this one. This is the first generation of the 2i2. I don't know how old it is. I'll look it up and I'll put a little thing down here for you. But I've had it for a minute and we still use it. This was my first studio microphone. I have a SM58, a Shure SM58 that I bought in 1970 something. I still have that, and I do still use that. I use it on every drum session just for the nostalgia of it. Honestly, it sounds really good, man. I use it as like a room mic, and I crank it up, and I've got a video that I'll share with you about that. I'll drop a link right here for you on that. But it's pretty cool. But this was the first studio microphone I ever bought. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a Behringer B1. Dude, this was a $99 microphone I bought at Guitar Center on Sunset Boulevard in Hollywood. Man, this thing still works, bro. It sounds great. It's all dented. I don't know if you can see it. It's been dropped a number of times. This is something that's pretty cool, though. You don't need speakers. Dude, these are headphones, either the Sony MDR 7506. I like these. I have actually had this set. I don't know if you can see how they're pretty worn. Yeah, you can see that. They're pretty worn, man. I've had this set for 35 years. If you take care of look at the cable, man. The cable's almost in perfect condition. It's got that little OCD thing going on there with I don't even know how that happens, but it's there. But my point is, you don't have to have super expensive equipment, okay, to create a vocal booth. You know what we used to do, man? We used to we in a bedroom, bro. We would put the mic stand in a closet. We moved the clothes out the way a little bit. That was our room treatment. We'd put the microphone. We literally, my brother and I, man, we actually tacked up a sleeping bag on the back wall. So we had a sleeping bag on the back wall and then the clothes. Dude, that was our vocal booth. We're making records, bro. You don't have to have a bunch of money to do what we do. You just gotta get started, man. Don't think you gotta save up $10,000 and go buy the greatest thing and have all the plugins, and you don't need all that. Stock plugins are gonna give you exactly what you need. And we got videos about that. I'll leave a link to that right here. Go check those out, man. There's just tons and tons of stuff. You just gotta get started, man. That's the whole thing. Don't stop sitting there saying, "Oh, I'm not good enough. I gotta wait till I get my certificate. You know, I'm in that 6-month program over at the thing, and I gotta wait till I get my certificate with my name on it so I can go be a recording engineer, bro." But don't. You need here. Let me give you a piece of paper. Hang on. I'm gonna give you a piece of paper with your name on it. There's your piece of paper with your name on it. Now go record something, bro. Stop. Don't wait for that piece of paper with your name on it. Don't wait for that certificate. Don't wait for that degree. Don't. Just stop. Go get you some budget gear. Spend $100. Get you something. Get you the 2i2. Dude, you could even do it with it. Get a USB mic. Get one of the blue Snowball. It's like $59, the USB version. Just start recording. Use some free DAWs. Audacity or GarageBand if you own a Mac. It comes with it. Get it. Just start recording. That is what you got to. The last video, again, I'll link to the last video right here. We're in a little series right now. The last video was about just getting started, bro. You just got to go. You don't need the experience. You don't need a little bit of knowledge helps. But you know what you really need, man, is the passion. Is I want to do it. I want to go get it. Just go do it. And I don't know if you guys we're here on the West Coast. We have a store where you buy tools and stuff called Harbor Freight. I don't know if you guys have a Harbor Freight where you're at, but get some cheap packing blankets. Harbor Freight sometimes has a packing blanket on sale for $4.99. Drape that over a mic stand. You got your room treatment. Until you can afford to get buy some foamy stuff and stick on the wall. And then when you graduate from that, get you some of these panels that you can build out of Roxwool or the 737 fiberglass. Build your panels. Build them yourself. If you make enough money, go buy some panels. You grow into it. I didn't go out and take a loan out and just buy a bunch of stuff and put it in a room and call myself a studio. This is 22 years of saving and growing and building and spending all my damn money. Just ask my wife, bro. Don't ask her. She get mad at that. But you just got to do it, man. And that's the thing. And that's what I'm trying to impress upon you. Look, I've got a thing. I'm going to give you a free thing, man. If you want to go deeper, bro, I have a studio growth building guide. Let me see if I have it. Do I have it? Yeah, I have it right here. The Audio Business Growth Guide. This is going to get you started, not only with your equipment and things that you need, but also with building your business, a legit business. Because there you can, there's where you can do, that's where you get to the tax deductions, and you get, here in California, man, we have incentives for buying stuff. Here's the link. You can go get it, learnprorecording.com/studio growth formula. Go grab it. It's free. It's going to help you get started. And it's just, those things are there to help you grow. I am always available. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, you can email me here, info@learnprorecording.com. I'm always available. We have a free Facebook group, Learn Pro Recording Facebook group. Go get in. It doesn't cost you anything. But if you want to dive even deeper than that, we have a paid community I'd love to invite you to. I will put a link to that right here. It's our membership. It's literally $7 a month, but I'm gonna give you 30 days free. Get in there, try it out, man. learnprorecording.com/membership1. Go jump in on that. It's free, man. Take the test drive. If you enjoy it, stick around. If not, cancel before you have to pay me $7. It's $7. Come on, man. I'm gonna be there. I'm in the community every day helping out. The other members are there helping out, giving ideas, sharing templates, sharing track presets. We're a community of growing and building and networking and understanding each other and understanding each other's needs. There's a lot of changes that are happening in the music business right now, in the creation part of the music business. There's a lot of changes with AI, and we've talked about that, and we'll talk about it again. These things are going to come up, but there's no reason to not go do what you love for your living. Even as a side gig, man, just go get a side hustle. If you're a weekend hobbyist, you can make money doing this, man. And I'd love to support you. I'd love to check. I'd love to see what you do. Jump in one of the communities and share some mixes, man. Share some stuff with us. But there's no reason to not go do it. Just go get it done. Get the cheap stuff. Start with the cheap stuff. If you don't already have some headphones, if you don't already have a microphone, go get some cheap stuff. Just get started. That's the whole thing, man. And I am here for encouragement. I'm here to help you out. Again, just email me. Jump in the community. Love to see you over there. Can't wait to see what you do with it. My name is Donnie Baker. Oh, if you want to check out the last video, I'm going to put a link to it right here. My name is Donnie B. I'll see you on the next one.